guys, welcome back to another vlog. Say hi, mom.
Hi, fam.
And daddy's right beside me.
Hi, family.
And we are on the road today. We are going to the supermarket and we're carrying you guys along with us. It's a bit, early in the morning. We're trying to do what we have to do before any traffic and rush gets on the road, but there is a little bit of traffic here and there because it's still early and people are still going to work. So we're just going to the supermarket just to see, what's happening, pick up a few stuff and take you guys along with us. So when we reach there,
I'll leave you
guys.
How much for them? Oh, where's the price?
The other side, the other side.
Oh.
Them just regular here. See there, mommy.
Where?
Right here, 1,650.
1,650.
For those, and then these are the other ones.
Yeah, these are the holiday fruit cakes. You see, these are the real cakes.
No, see the holiday fruit cake.
Nice, no. We said this a mama.
Heavy.
About 15 pounds this way.
That's
for Jesus.
That's 2, 3.
Boy. So to show the people my price. And this one is really, I think the people
How many pounds is that?
I don't know, they didn't say. 2,300 with tax. Wow. Yeah, I know.
Final
Yeah,
price.
them getting their money's worth for this.
Yeah.
This one is really weighty and heavy. You can't tell the people I'm for comment. Really weighty. This feel like really good. Feel like about 5 to 6 pounds.
Yeah, 4 pounds.
4 pounds? They're 4 pounds.
Really?
Weighty. Okay,
Oh, that's 2 pounds. Okay.
Yeah. Getting your money's worth right there. And them not paying for the promo. Eh. I come for the TV.
Which TV? This one or your TV?
No, that's not my speed.
It's all the way around the other side.
No more TV around on the other side.
Wait a minute. No. Exactly.
Yeah, something like
No, this doesn't have a TV. This just has the push.
no, this looks like it's damaged.
No, it's not.
It's small. This is very small. It's
This doesn't have anything.
But this is a 27 cubic.
Mommy, this doesn't have it. This is not the push on it. You can push on one side, come out.
Oh,
No,
and it's something
this
like
is
that.
just
Yeah,
style.
this is just a regular, but the door is really weighty.
Them
Why is it
they
so
drop the
weird?
price of it.
Yeah, things bad. You see, and this is a 27. It looks really small. For a 27, don't.
27 cubic.
Yeah, it looks small. Yeah. See what I want here? This is just what I want.
That's how they make this one.
And this is an LG. This is a LG. This is 24 cubic, you see? So you're downsizing right there.
See you plant them there. What plants are these?
What do they look like that? Poinsettias. Aren't they deep?
Oh, there are poinsettias.
Poinsettias red. Blood red.
So the red them there.
So them here, 3,007. Not bad.
No, 10-inch pot. You have the 7-inch, the 8-inch, and the 10-inch.
On the
This
10
is the
inch,
10-inch
the
here.
3,7, not bad.
You have to take care of them. Mommy, this is a really nice pot. Look at this.
Big pot.
Are they selling?
See there?
Or are they, what is in there? It look like something not really normal.
See here, bowl of plant pot, 7,000.
Alright. Next time, yeah?
But it's really nice.
This is nice. I like, isn't this is the fiddle leaf fig. They grow
Yeah.
really large, This is nice. It's real, yeah?
Yeah, no, they're selling all real plants, I'm sure. The holes are right
But
here.
I don't see, we can't get this a country this. This is an indoor plant. And
And those are orchids.
Really
These are just small orchids. Oh,
Them are not really no.
No, these are home accents. These ones
Yeah,
aren't.
but these are really,
These
they
are-
really nice.
No, these are the smaller orchids. Them just start bloom.
I don't like them color. I want me have two of the same white.
These are bath towels.
What?
Bath towels.
Oh. Them always have the same paper. Christmas cushions for me. You need them.
They dropped the price of it. They dropped the price of the cushion, them, mommy. You know, buy me too.
Leave me alone. You see me have one. You look now. I have this up the house, but the bigger one. You see?
You have the grey one.
Yeah. Not grey, it's black grey. But this is a better
And you know it not bad? But it don't make,
Pick it up.
it don't make sense. Only for Christmas.
Exactly.
We can't use it again. If they have other cushions, then fine, but they don't. So.
You don't need very fast cushions. Come on, pull the big one.
If it was like a cushion cover now, then fine. If it was like a cushion cover, then fine.
And then you're cracking.
I can tell that's light.
I know it's not all that light.
Really?
You can't hold my plate?
Yeah.
No, but I don't eat, we're going to eat out of that one. They have to put the eating plate.
No, that means you can't hold it.
That's go and put my food in I. A big fit food.
Yeah, big.
This red is really outstanding.
Yeah.
Nice. Pretty
So
bright.
it'd be nice on your table.
Yeah, buy two of them. Alright, make a circle and come back.
No, the price is not, you know.
Yeah.
The price is jump.
Oh, 147 or what?
1,500 again for them cheap.
1,500 for four?
Yeah, it's worth it.
Oh,
It was more than that.
I didn't know it was for four.
That's four.
So four in this box?
Yeah.
One goal and one.
Okay, you're a good salesman. When me go around and come back, yeah. Depends on the color. Show them people. The kitchen need 5 quarts.
Oh, you get an extra bowl with it and
What
some.
we get with it.
Isn't this it? Same thing
Yeah,
as this
that's it. This is it. Do they have it in? Oh, is it things we are getting a good deal? Put up in 8 people and see it now. Come.
one? I'm sure it's okay.
85,000 5 quart. I think it should be the 7 quart though.
But that can't hold much.
No, because it's just a 5 quart. If it was a 7 quart bowl.
Yeah.
But the
Because that
the
can't
thing.
hold more than 2 pounds, you know.
No, the thing about it is that you're getting the lifting of the bowl, but still the bowl is small.
The bowl is small.
Another
Because my bowl at home and they have bigger than.
This is cute.
this is worth it now.
Yeah.
This is really worth
Yeah, yeah, this is really nice.
Until the line.
That's really nice.
Yeah, that's worth it. Oh, Jamaica. Oh, food. Finance team set up.
Alright, Mom. We need to get rice and those stuff.
Oh, boy.
You see the rice section? You're going right into it.
I don't know. I wouldn't want to take this big one.
Yeah, we
I've
don't
never
eat parboiled rice that much. Is it better for you or something?
Not really. It's nice with rice and peas. I really don't.
I don't think we
want
should be
so
eating
much.
so much.
I may have white rice at home. Maybe.
What we can do is just get another pack of the Albert.
Yeah, that's what I think.
Because we have a very big pack of jasmine up there where we're not touch it.
2 jasmine.
This is basmati.
Well, alright, that's okay. For the parboiled rice, I like to prefer the rice.
It's our regular rice.
You don't have so much parboiled rice, alright.
And this is the long grain that we have.
Why is it that they always have one single brand in the house?
I'm guessing I'm guessing it's what they get shipped. You don't know. You never know. You want sugar?
Yeah.
Take up one sugar there. From the back, because it seemed like some of them dippers. Knock it off. Alright?
Blend.
I'm guessing it's a blend of oils. There's, hold on, let me see. Canola, olive oil, and grapeseed oil.
Them alright, come on, them good.
This is organic virgin olive oil. That's big. Not bad.
Not bad. How much for this?
3,000.
Let me just get to read up on it. Organic, extra virgin olive oil, carapella. I don't know if it's in a bottle though, and I like the ones that are in bottle.
It's nice.
It's nice, but I haven't read
Containers
up on.
then.
I need foil containers.
For putting like if you know for those who are putting the ham and the something them inside it and whatever. Oh no, see the ham one there over there. So this is
Let
just
me not have look on them cold. Let me read them there. Let me some have look on stuff on them. You know.
ay, my feet. Yeah. Guessing that's the one you can use for the ham. And what is that plastic wrap? Is that a bigger one though?
Yeah, can you buy?
How much?
No, this is a smaller one.
There's a small one. Oh, so the bigger one down there. So okay.
Almost 5,000. But they're a good. want corn meats, Dad.
See sardines here, mommy. Take up on Friday.
Different brand.
There's only one brand. Well, not.
No, don't say that.
These are in oil. These are hot pepper. And then those ones are in water.
What sardine na water?
You pick up brace candy.
Cobb, which one is this? It says
That's in oil. That's the regular one.
this is the regular one. What
Yeah,
are
that's the one that's
these?
I bought for you, Eddie. Everybody I voted to say, oh, strawberry Nesquik is this and it's that.
Yeah, the last time I buy granola and it wasn't all that. Where's the Cobb?
Sit here.
Something happened to it, eh?
Yeah, no, one of the bags are okay. The other bag get full of ants.
How much are they?
3,000 for 2-pack.
Where? Where is it at?
275. Yes. We don't need granola, darling. Right? We ain't eating it like that, anyways.
Oh, my life.
We not eat it like that, anyways.
Oh, life, not so.
All right. So we got the cereal and the juice.
Where's the and I told.
No, sit here. Stop right here.
Okay.
Right here. So
So this is
open this fridge. This one. Turn it.
Isn't it this?
No.
No.
Turn it. No.
Where? Yeah, this is it.